In this short segment, I'm going to be showing you how I'll be filing the outside area of the bezel. Why I'm doing that is that's where the hammer is going to be hitting. I don't want to hit the hammer on top because I'll hit the table of the stone and say goodbye to a very expensive stone. If that's going to be an emerald or a diamond or any other genuine stone, I don't want to have any contact between the hammer and the table of the stone. You will see how nice and clean, well, almost clean, this hammer face is. I'm going to remove any marks prior to the actual hammering, so there'll be no marks from the hammer leading onto the top of the bezel. I'm going now to use my pillar file. It is a 0. It's a very rough cut. I'm going to remove the edge of the hammer of the bezel. And this angle, about 45-degree angle, is where the hammer is going to be making contact with the outside of the bezel. I don't want to do it too much. I'll use my little toothbrush. I'll just remove all that metal. You can see what I have here. And what I'm going to have is a very slight flat surface. And another 45-degree angle down. That's where the hammer is going to be. Only on this area, never on top. What I'm watching for is that this little top area will be uniform all the way around the bezel or all around the stone. This is going to be making contact with the stone, not this area here. I'm only pushing it. I'm pushing it, and I'm also coming down on a slight angle onto the stone. So I'm going to be doing two things at once. And I'm going to show you the next short video is how I will clean up the inside of the wall for the girdle of the stone. I will not leave anything left to have problems. I'm going to use a small round burr. I'll just go in and clean it up. So, and what kind of burr am I going to use? I'm going to use a round burr